Welcome students. Now with the help of this video I am going to teach you poster designing, drafting a poster. What is a poster? A poster is a very useful means to create awareness about current social problems and issues. Posters are also very useful to make an announcement or appeal or for issuing a notice to the advertise a product or to extend an invitation for an event and information for the general public. Posters serve the purpose of notices, advertisements, and invitations. Guidelines for designing a poster: visually attractive, catchy heading, title, use a slogan or short words, use phrase instead of full sentences, make sketches or matchstick figures, use persuasive language, convey the message clearly, use either present tense or future tense. Students, remember some points to be kept in mind. A poster is designed to be put up at a public place, so it should be designed in such a way that it may catch the attention of the passerby. A poster should have a striking design. A poster should have bigger, bold capital letters because it is read by the public from a distance. A poster should not have any extra or irrelevant matter. It should only be focused on the issue for which it is prepared. A poster can be made more catchy by using slogans and attractive language. Now, with the help of format of a poster, I make this clear. Now, question is, design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogans. So first we have to write books are best friend. I have told you, catchy heading. Then we have to write in middle, we have to make a figure of book. After that in corner, books, inform, instruct, delight, enrich. Then I have made a oval shaped circle. Read best, speak best, think best. And in right side I have written take a book a day, don't delay. Then I have given a star mark, and in this star mark make reading a regular habit. In middle part we have to write your school library has 10,000 books. Man points: when you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover, read it. Reading makes a ready man. And we have to draw a line, four side line. We have to draw a square. Okay, must remember we have to write in proper way, and you may use your own creative words. Now, here question: you are the director of National Agriculture Organization, Lucknow. You have to make the people all over Uttar Pradesh aware of the necessity of conserving water and also how to do it. Design a suitable poster to be inserted in the newspaper as well as for being put up at prominent places in the towns of Uttar Pradesh. Suppose here written Bihar, okay, Mumbai, whatever written, then you have to make according to question poster. First you have to write title, catchy title, save water, save the world. After that, every drop is precious, water level going critically, low year by year apply. I have made here a drop of water figure. Here you all are looking. Rainwater harvesting. Don't let rainwater run waste. Store it in tanks and ponds. Save this gift of nature before it is too late. After we have to write issued by, because here it is given. Okay, now National Agriculture Organization, Lucknow. Now here I have written that where you have to write slogan, where you have to draw visual, where you have to write catchy title, details about the subject. Okay students, in this way we have to write poster. Students, I am giving you some question and you must write in your notebook, and if you try to write poster, then you will be able to understand that it is very easy. Now questions: design a poster to promote computer education, and second number is design a poster in about 50 words to create awareness among the people of your city on the importance of traffic rules. Third number is you are Director General of Health Services. You want to invite people to come forward for eye donation. Draft a poster for the same. And the last is fireworks and crackers are known to create pollution during festivals. As an environmentalist, design a poster in about 50 words to create awareness of their ill effects. Now students, I have given you testing your skills. Now test your skill. Thank you.